Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the new way of learning. Here I am with this English fifth standard fifth subject English. First poem is What a Bird Thought. Here we will study about a bird, what the bird thinks. Okay, you can see in your textbook also. I leave first. First I will recite the poem, and then first, I will recite this poem and then I will explain. See, students, here I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed anyone. Sorry, I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? See, students, here one bird is there and he is talking about his experience of life, about the world. Okay. See, he used to live first, he used to have a small house which was made by pale blue shell. Means the egg in which that small bird was there first in the egg, so that world was very small and round. Okay, and it was made of pale blue shell, and there he lived very well. He was very happy there because it was small, it was round, and it was good. According to the bird, that world was very well he was living. But next where what happened, I lived next in a little nest. Later on, that egg cracked and he lived in a that world of that baby bird. Crack means that egg crack, that shell crack, and then he lived in a little nest. He that nor needed any other, means he was not bothered, he was very happy over there, and nor needed nothing he needed there. I thought the world of was made of straw and covered by my mother. See what I was thinking, that the whole world was made of straw. For that little baby first, that small egg was the world. Now when he was living in the next and was not able to fly, that small next is the world which that bird is thinking, okay, the world is made of straw and covered by my mother. Okay, mother means now this baby bird, and mother means big baby bird, big bird. One day I fluttered from the nest. Now what happened? That bird fly in the air. वो उसको उड़ना आ जाता है और वो उसमें से निकल जाता है नेस्ट में से. Now to see what I could find, I said the world is made of leaves because he was flying on the trees only. So what he is thinking, Arey, I was blind. I was thinking that world is made of straw, but here I can see the world is made of leaves, all over green, 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 because he was flying in the tree. At last, later on, when he was big enough, when he was adult enough to fly beyond the tree, he saw the sky so blue, very blue, big sky he saw. And now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell you. Can you? Now he saw the whole world, and now he's saying कि the world is really made. I cannot tell you that there is no explanation. Means it's so big, it's so nice, it's so beautiful that he is not able to explain. So he is asking us, can you tell me? Okay. Now here's the exercise. You have to recite this poem and learn this poem. And here the rhyming words from the poem. Well, shall other mother find blind? Blue you. The other exercises describe the following in one or two lines. The first little house of the bird, the first little house of the bird was small and round and made of pale blue shell. The nest was small and made of straw. The world around the bird's nest, immediately around the bird's Next was a tree with leaves, and beyond that was the open blue sky. This poem is all about the experience by a bird from little when he was very small in the egg till he can fly in the air. Now here is the dictation word: pale blue straw covered. Very few are there fluttered leaves. So you have to learn beyond. Now here's the activity. Imagine the following and write each in your own word. Yeah, you people are big enough to write in your own words. At least you have to write in 5 lines. Okay, at least you have to write 5 lines. And this is the activity. So you have to learn. You have to write. What will you write? What the baby looks like a what the world looks like a baby. Means जब हम छोटे होते हैं तो पूरा वर्ल्ड हमको कैसे दिखता है, ठीक है, वो हमको लिखना है. व्हाट द वर्ल्ड लुक्स लाइक अ फिश व्हेन यू हैव टू राइट लाइक ये बर्ड का दिया है. एनी वन ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. ओके, डोंट टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम एनी वन. हाँ, यू कैन टेक आइडियाज फ्रॉम मदर फादर टीचर वॉट एवर, but you have to write in your own words and you are big enough to write in your own words. Homework: write poem 2 times in your English notebook and exercise and dictation words also. Okay, bye.